Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting in a comfortable seated position. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, and close your eyes as you take a deep inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, big inhale in and let it out. Lower your hands down as you drop your head back. And now tuck your chin towards your chest as you round your upper back. Again, drop your head back, maybe arching the back a little bit. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. And let's sit up straight as we take some big shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Relax your shoulders as you reach your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the right. Send your right arm behind you. Left arm reaches forward. Lower your right hand down and reach up and over with your left arm. Side body stretch. Come back to center. Reach your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the left. Lower your left hand and reach up and over with your right. Come back to center. Lean your torso to the right and then forward and to the left and then back round your spine. Let's do that body circle one more time. Take your time. And we go the other way. Just getting the kinks and the cracks out of your body, letting it feel good. Come back to center. Let's bring our legs out in front of us. Keep them bent. And just drop your legs over to the left and then over to the right. So just doing some windshield wipers, taking some gentle movement. Straighten your legs out in front of you. Reach your arms up overhead and forward fold. Let's lower down onto our back, coming into Shavasana. Open your legs a little bit. Let your arms fall next to your sides and take some deep breaths while I say some positive affirmations. I am choosing joy and positivity today. My life is full of good energy. I am glowing. I am radiant. I am enjoying my life. I give myself permission to feel great about myself. Let those affirmations wash over you. You are going to have an amazing day. Let's end class by taking a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.